Yeah. Here we go. Let's jump. Flat now. Every time.
I take it as a compliment. She's 10 years old, younger than me.
Good. Flat now, guys. Here we go. That's it, here we go. Start enhancing your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Good, and we're going to kick back, weight forward, kick back. That's it, here we go. That's it. Here we're going to take step and lift to the side. One arm, step and lift to the side. That's it. That's it. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to jumps. Here we go. Keep going. I'm losing myself tonight. All right, kickbacks. Kickbacks. Here we go. Good. And step and side lift. Here we go. Step and side lift. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Alright, back to jogs in 3, 2, and 1. Back to jogs. Good. Good. From here, spot the dogs. Here we go, spot the dogs. Use your arms, use your arms. That's it. Good. Alright, in 3, 2, and 1. Step and swing the arms. Here we go. Three, 2, and 1. Here we go. We're going to roll down through the spine. Now one more time. Roll down, out. We're going to take knee in, touch the elbow, opposite elbow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sink the hips low. Leg rolling up. Shoulders back. Repeat. Down. And going up. Elbow touch the opposite knee. That's it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rolling up nice and slowly. That's it. Hips down. Leg rolling up. One more just like this. Here we go. Rolling down. Walking out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hips down, hips up, and rolling up nice and slowly. That's it, good. Alright, very good, very good. So guys, exercise. We're going to hold the weight in our hands and we're going to take knees up. Knees up. This is still sort of a warm-up. We are warming up the core muscles here. Alright? So we're going to hold the weight up and we're going to bring our knees up. Are we ready? In 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. That's it. Bring the knees up. Good. 30 seconds here. Here we go. Now guys, this round consists of 4 exercises in total, alright? We repeat them twice through. That's it. Knees up, that's it. 15 seconds to go. That's it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Weight down, jump. Here we go, jump. That's it. If you want an extra challenge, you can go for knees up. That's it, good. Here we go. Alright, next exercise. Keep moving. Your next exercise is going to be starting from plank position. Keep moving just while you're looking. We are going to stretch back. That's it, stretch back. Bring it forward. Press up. Back up. And stretch back. You can be on your knees as well, guys, alright? Same thing happens. Stretch back, stretch forward, press up, back, and again. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. So guys, you take your pick if you want to be in a plank position or if you want to be on your knees. Here we go. That's it. Good, make sure your hands are wide enough, guys. It should be a chest press up. Alright, so your hands should be wide enough. That's it, good. That's it, very good. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay where you are. We're going to go to mountain climbers. Knees into chest. Plank position, very important. Are we ready? 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. That's it. Here we go, 10, 9, 8. Here we go, fast feet, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good, standing up. Very similar to the first exercise, hands behind the head. We're going to squeeze it up, opposite knee to elbow this time. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, opposite knee to elbow. Crunch. That's it, good. Opposite knee to elbow, very good. Seconds to go. Clear. Try and twist a bit more. As much as you can, try and twist. Crunch. That's it. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to go jumping jacks. Here we go. To finish off this round, the jumping jacks. Let's go. 25 seconds here. That's all. Push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Very good. Take a rest. You can drink some water before we do that all again. Very good. Alright. So, Take a rest. The first exercise is weight up, knees up. Take a second, buddy. Alright guys, let's set up nice and slowly. We're going to take the weight up above the arms. Are we ready? Here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1. Knees up. Here we go. Knees up. Up. That's it. That's it. Very good. That's it. Very good. Keep going. Good. That's it. Very good. Very good. Here we go. This is your 15-second mark. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Guys, I want you to watch this exercise one more time, please. Alright, just have a look at what Irene is doing. Alright, and even if you have your knees down, guys, you are stretching completely back. Alright, it's not a downward dog. That's it. We're stretching out the shoulders and press up and back up. Release back. Alright, so we're getting a good stretch to the back before we start. Understood? Even if you are in plank position, same thing. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Stretch it back, forward, and press up. Very good, very good. That's it. So Ilari, I want you to think of pushing back onto the heels more rather than downward dog. That's it, that's it. Correct, correct. That's the one. Darren, same thing, Ali. Meta tkun sejjer lura ftit l-stretch, bend the knees. Bend the knees. That's it, that's it, that's it. Now wait forward, press up. Good, good, that's it. Alright, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay where you are, we're going to mountain climbers. Here we go. Get ready. Breathe in 3, in 2, in 1. Here we go, mountains. Knees in, knees to chest. Thumb low, plank position. Here we go. That's it, that's it. Cross it, guys, cross it. There we go, very good. That's it. Here we go. 15 seconds here. Here we go. That's it. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's just take a quick jog. Coming out of it. Shake out the arms, shake out the wrists. Good. Okay, last exercise in this round. We're going to go hands behind the head. Twist and crunch. Here we go. Twist and crunch. Let's go. Very good. That's it. Very good. Marvy, take it a bit slower, Marvy. Think of crunching more. Squeeze the movement. That's it. Slow it down. That's it. That's it. In 5, 4, 3. Finish it off with jumping jacks. Here we go. Jumping jacks. That's it. Keep going. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax and breathe. Cross it. Very good. Heart alright. Everyone doing good. Tight. Cross it. Very good. Okay, take a breather. As the next section is going to get a little bit more intense. Just a little more. Sit here. Alright. So, next set of exercises. Same thing, 4 exercises here. Okay, let's get back into a jog. Here we go. Your next exercise is going to be running on the spot. Open and close. Open and close. Use the hands to dictate the legs, alright? Are we ready? In 3, in 2, in 1. Here we go. Fast feet, open and close. Open and close. That's it. Open and close. Good, good. Now I want you to get low, guys. Get low. That's it. That's it. Very good. That's it. Very good, very good. That's it, that's it. Keep going, keep going. Here we go. Stay low, fast feet. Here we go. And open, close, open, close. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and jog. Jog it out. Here we go. Jog it out. Very good. Nice. Very good. Alright, keep jogging. We're going to show you the next movement, yes? So, we're going to be on the floor. 4 moves. Okay, elbows are in. Weight goes up, over the head, back, and down. Squeeze it up, squeeze it back, squeeze it up, squeeze it up. Are we ready? Weight, here we go in hands. In 3, 2, and 1. Stand, guys. Elbows in. That's it. 1, 2, 3, and down. That's it. Elbows in, Minaria. Try to keep them nice and tight. When you're coming back down, that's it. Perfect. That's it. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good. That's it, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Weight down. You can stay where you are. We're going to go. Legs stay on top. Bicycle. 1 leg at a time. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. That's it. Nice and slow. Good job, that's it, very good. Guys, to make it harder, keep the shoulders and the neck off the floor. That's it, 15 seconds here. That's it, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Standing up. We're going to finish this round off by going. Run, tap. Run, tap the floor. Tap the floor. Run, tap the floor. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Keep your eyes up, guys. Eyes up. Don't move down to the floor. That's it. Very good. Eyes up. Eyes up. Good. Whenever you can, I want you to challenge yourself. I want you to go for fast speed. Tap. Here we go. As quick as you can with your feet. Good. Let's go. Yes, nice. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to finish it off with jumping jacks. Hands forward, hands up. Hands forward, hands up. Here we go. That's it. That's it. Here we go. Last push in 5, 4, 3, 2, and just come back for a light jump. Just a light jump just to bring down the heart rate a bit. Good, very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good. Shake it out. Good. Shake out your legs. And drink some water. Breathe. Alright, guys, so we're going to repeat that much all again, alright? So 4 exercises in total. Good. Everyone alright? And a thumbs up. We're feeling good? Yes? Perfect, perfect. Alright, breathe, breathe, breathe. We're going to go back in 15 seconds, alright? I'm going to start with fast feet on the spot, open and close. This time I want you to go as low as you can. Alright? Open and close. Breathe. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Open and close. Open and close. That's it. 30 seconds here, guys. 30 seconds. Let's go. Open and close. That's it. Nice and low. Nice and low. Yes. Very good. Very good. Good. 10 seconds. Let's go. Yes, guys. Very good. Here we go. In 5. We have a happy child right now. 3, 2, and 1. Finish it off with a light jog. Good. Here we go. Here we go. Good. Light jog. Light jog.
Let's go.
Next exercise, we're taking it down to the floor overhead. 4 moves in total. We go up, overhead, back in, and down. Now, guys, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's good. Nice, nice. Elbows in, elbows skin the ribs, guys. That's it. Good, good, good. Last one. Here we go. 15 seconds here. 15 seconds. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Way down. That's it. We're going to go to bicep. Alright. Take it nice and slow, guys, this exercise. Alright. Make sure you can get through it all. Pace yourself. In 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Nice and slow. That's it. That's it, try and twist as much as you can, Lawrence. A bit more twist there. Relax, relax, good. Take a breather. That's it, good. 15 seconds. Keep breathing. That's it. Don't stop breathing, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Standing up. Very good, very good. Last exercise. Here we go. Last exercise in this round. Run, 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 tap the floor. Run, 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 tap the floor. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All we have is 40 seconds here. Here we go. Run, 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 tap the floor. That's it, that's it. Good. Good, good, good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cross it, guys. Push, push, push. 15 seconds left. 15 seconds to go. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Light jog, light jog. Here we go. Jog it off. That's it. Breathe. In 3, in 2, in 1. Shake it out. Good. Shake out the legs. Breathe. Drink some water. Here comes on. Good. Rosa, guys, got alright? Yes? We're good? Sounds so. Good, good, good. Alright, time to come next. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Next section is going to be core focused. Alright? Hankunu malajt, in our plank position. So breathe, hold the nafs, and you have about another 20 seconds to rest anyway. So breathe. Guys, now that exercise, okay, nħobb namlu jiena. It's to dance counts, alright? So we do everything to 16 counts, alright? We do 16 counts and we move. Important to try and keep breathing through, because after 16 counts you will just change position, alright? So we're going to push through quite a lot for this exercise. If you need to rest, but try and get back in as quick as you can, alright? 16 counts, so we're in. We're going to start with our elbow plank position, alright? So elbow plank is down. Here we go, in 3, 2, and 1. 16 counts here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. High plank. 1. Here we go for 60, 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, get ready to vertical side plank, 2, and 1, side plank. You can go onto your elbow. Here we go for 60, 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, elbow plank, 1. Here we go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, changing sides, 3, 2, and 1, side plank. Here we go, other side for 60, 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, turn it around, hold it here, hold, elbow plank, hold. This is your 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax it down. Guys, this is not finished, this is just a rest. I'm being nice. Alright, breathe. Alright, we're going to go back to our elbow plank, and we're going to go up, down. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. We go down, up, down, up, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, very good. Alright, rolling up, guys, rolling up. We're gonna finish it off with a sprint. Are we ready? Okay, we're gonna sprint on the spot. Yes, I want you to think weight forward, fast feet, as fast as you can. Are we ready? Here we go, last push, 30 seconds work. In 3, 2, 1, here we go, fast feet. You have to get somewhere. Here we go, fast. Here we go, fast feet. That's it, let's go. That's it, here we go. 15 seconds to go. Last push, guys, last push. Yes, get low, lower. Climb, guys, upper push. Here we go in 5, 4, lower, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, good. Shake it out, come back to a nice jog. Breathe. And march down. Good. Breathing in, arms up, and breathing out. Keep marching, breathing in, don't stop the heart completely, and breathing out. One more, breathing in, and breathing out. Last one, breathing in, and breathing out. Good. Hands come behind the head, rolling down nice and slowly. Change the chest. So you need to just walk it off a bit in between as well. Good. And again, rolling down nice and slowly. Check the chest. Roll it up. Good. Hands go behind the head. Sorry, go behind. Interlacing back. Stretch it out. Chin up, chest up to the sky. That's it. Stretch it out. Good. Hands behind the head and twist side to side. Good. Last breathing in. Take a big deep breath. Gather all the energy. Breathing in, gather all out. Breathing out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right over left, left over right. Give a round of applause to yourself. Thank you very much, guys. Well done.